Hello and welcome to another session in mathematics. In today's lesson we'll look at mensuration, but before that let us take a look at the last lesson. Welcome back. In this session we'll be looking at introduction of circles and its properties, calculation of length of arc and perimeter of a sector, and then we'll look at area of sectors and segments, and area of triangles. Okay, we're starting with calculation of length of arc and perimeter of a sector. Okay, I know in a previous class we talked about what an arc is, and I said that an arc is a part, is the part of the circumference between 2 points, and I gave an example. If we have here to be A and here to be B, that the point between from here to here is what we call the arc. Okay, from A to B, this part is what we call what? The arc. Okay, now we have a sector too. Sector. So the sector is the area surrounded by two radii and an arc. We have a circle. This is the center of the circle. This is a radius, and then this is let's call here point A and call here point B. This is a radius, this is a radius, let's call here 0, and we have here to be our arc, and this point is what we call the sector. Now, having known that, let us look at the length of an arc. Length of an arc is given as theta over 360 times 2 pi r. Okay, this is the formula we use in finding the length of an arc. Okay, then secondly, if you're asked to find the area of a sector, it's given as theta over 360 degree times pi r squared. Okay, number 3, if you're asked to find the perimeter of a sector, it's given as 2r plus theta over 360 degree times 2 pi r. I want you to note these formulas because they will help us in solving the problems we have right now. Okay, then we have number 4, the area of a circle. Area of a circle is given as what? Anybody? Yeah, pi r squared. That's correct. Then we have the perimeter of a circle. The perimeter of a circle to be equal to 2 pi r. Okay, now in all these equations you will find pi, and pi. Okay, pi is equal to 22 over 7. Okay, whenever you hear pi, it is equal to 22 over 7. So let's quickly take some examples. Okay, let's look at question 1 on the screen. It says find the area of a circle with radius 14 cm and diameter 48 cm. radius is 14 cm and diameter is what? Is 48 cm. We are asked to find what? The area of a circle. And I told us earlier that the area of a circle is what? Is pi r squared. So we have this to be equal to pi r squared. Okay, now our arrow in this question is what? 14 cm, which is our what? Radius. Is that correct? Our r is 14, which is our radius, and our pi is equal to 22/7, just like I told us earlier. Now the area of the circle will then be equal to 22/7 times 14 squared. 22/7 times 14 squared, and that will give us 616 cm squared. Okay. Also giving diameter to be equal to 48 cm from the question. Here it is. We have our d to be 48, and diameter is the double of radius. Okay, 2 times r is equal to diameter. 2 times r is equal to diameter. So to get radius, we have radius to be equal to 48 divided by 2, and that will give us what? 24, right? So solving with 24, we have that the area will then be equal to 22/7 times 24 squared, and that will give us 1810 cm squared. Okay, as simple as this. Let's take another example. Okay, question number 2 on the screen. Let's take a look at that. It said the arc of a circle 50 cm long subtends an angle of 75 degrees at the center of the circle. Find, correct to 3 significant figures, the radius of the circle. Okay, let us solve this. We are to find what the radius of the circle, and then let's start. The length of an arc. Length of arc is equal to what? Theta over 360 degree times 2 pi r, right? And we are told that this is equal to what? 50 cm from the question. The arc is what? 50 cm long. So this is equal to this. And if that is the case, we then need to substitute the value of theta and the value of pi and the value of what? To get the value of r. We substitute the value of theta, substitute the value of pi to get the value of what? R. Okay, substituting the value of theta and pi, we have theta to be 75 degree over 360 times 2 times 22/7, which is our pi, times r equals 50. Okay, we want to make r the subject of formula. By that we have 75 degree times 2 times 22 times r to be equal to 50 times 360 times 7. Okay, making r the subject of formula, we have r to be equal to 50 times 360 times 7 all over 75 times 2 times 22. 75 times 2 times 22. Okay, and then if we evaluate that, if we simplify that, what do we have? We have 38.1 cm, which is approximately 38.2 to 3 significant figures. Okay, so we'll stop here for today. To refresh your memory on what we've done so far, kindly provide the answer to the following question on the screen. Welcome back. So far we've been able to cover the length of an arc and the perimeter of a circle and so on and so forth. We'll stop here. So do wait to use the lesson note on the platform for more information on the subject and topic we've just discussed, and feel free to drop a comment or a question on the comment section. So till we meet again, stay safe and bye.